हाय स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम रजनी मेहता फ्रॉम रजनी आल्स एंड जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि मैं आपको अपनी वीडियोस में क्यू कार्ड के आइडियाज के लिए हेल्प करती हूँ। एंड टुडे जो आपके लिए क्यू कार्ड लेके आई हूँ उसमें मैं आपको आइडिया इसका हिंदी में भी दूंगी एंड इसके बाद हम इसे इंग्लिश में भी बनाएंगे। सो टुडेज क्यू कार्ड टॉपिक इज डिस्क्राइब एन इवेंट विच यू ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सक्सेसफुली। डिस्क्राइब अ हैप्पी इवेंट विच यू ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सक्सेसफुली। सो इसके लिए हम जो आइडिया लेंगे वो ये होगा कि आपने अपनी मदर का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करा और आपने किस तरह से उस पार्टी को प्लान किया और उसके बाद सक्सेसफुली उसके अरेंजमेंट्स किए एंड फाइनली आपको इसके लिए खूब तारीफें मिली और आप बहुत खुश हुए। तो अभी इसका आइडिया मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ। So I am a person who love parties and especially I love when somebody gives me surprises. And one such event happened with me when I wanted to surprise my mother. Actually, it was a time when it was her birthday, and my mother always does lots of things for us to make us happy. And it's a very sad that we people are so busy in our lives that we do not give them that much time to celebrate their happiness. So when her birthday was coming, so I thought that I should do something really special for her. And therefore I thought that I will give her a surprise party. So I discussed with my brother and we thought that let's do something really special, and we anyhow we engaged my father also in this. And my father said that he will help us, that he will take my mother out on that day when her birthday would be there for some shopping and all, which was like quite, my mother was aware about that. Every birthday she is taken to the market by my father so that she can buy anything good for her. And when my father went there, then I and my brother first we decorated the houses, our house, and after that we ordered a beautiful cake. And actually I wanted to prepare cake on my own, but my cooking is not that much great, so that's why I thought that it should be ordered. So we ordered a pineapple cake, and which is her favorite flavor, and we also added a picture of her on this, and of course we gave the person special directions to bake this cake. So accordingly the cake was ordered, and we also invited some of my mother's friends to the event, and some close relatives also. So all that event, the preparation of that event, it just took 4 to 5 hours to us, but anyhow we were so tired, but were ready to see the smile on my mother's face. And in the evening when she came back home, so we just switched off all the lights of the home, and my mother thought that the electricity supply is not there, and suddenly when she just entered the doorstep, and we switched on the lights and we all shouted happy birthday for her, and she was so surprised, and literally there were tears in her eyes, and she was so amazed to see all that. And she was just surprising and was asking that who has planned all that. But anyhow we did not want to stop her happiness. That's why we first asked her to cut the cake. She cut the cake, and the other beautiful delicious dinner was also ready for her, and we served it to the guests also. And this was the first time when my mother was not a host. Actually I and my brother were the host, and she was just enjoying the event which was taking at her place only. So that thing actually filled me with happiness, and I was so happy with that. And even the relatives and my mother's friends, they all praised us that we are so lovely kids that we think that much of for our mother. And when all the guests went back, that time also my mother thanked a lot, and she said that she was like walking in the air, and this was the best birthday ever she celebrated, and which also amazed us. And we also hugged our mother and said that how much we love her. So this was the event which we successfully organized at our home. Thank you so much. So my dear students, मैंने आपको इसमें आइडिया दे दिया है कि किस तरह आपने अपनी मम्मा का बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया। तो अगर आप इसमें कोई और आइडिया भी चाहते हैं कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताएं, एंड वी विल शेयर द अनदर आइडिया फॉर द सेम क्यू कार्ड विद यू। थैंक यू।